team. Let's roll. All right, team. Let's get this construction started.
Western wall need immediate attention.
Let's take a look at this. Team, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Mr. Rabbit. But you rest now. We've got this.
Complete. Well done, team.
Excellent work, my little vine master.
I did it! I really did it!
This cluster is just perfect. Little one. Paw, little builder?
Oh, yes! More than you...
Support beam and the roof structure.
I see. Tricky without the right break. This feels right. Let's get building.
Nail!
Welcome, team! Cottage all by himself.
Thank you for helping.
All right, team. Let's get the
Meow.
plans.
The framing looks good.
All right, we can do this together.
Great job, everyone. We're almost there.
Together.
It's perfect.
We did it.
Oh, dear. Don't cry, little one.
You all. Please, come in. Make yourselves at home. And here's the living room with the kitchen just there, and the bedroom through that arch.
Come, everyone! Let's celebrate with some fresh grapes.
Is moved into place.
Watch step there, little one.
So lovely!
To character 3, to our new home.
Yay, home!
Here you go, dear.
Oh, for me.
It's all I ever wanted.
My curious little one. What adventures await us today? Special today.
Oh, what is it, Mama?
Let's start our cooking lesson.
That's it, little one. Now, gently.
I can do it.
Meow. Think it is, little one?
Rice.
Now, gently swirl the rice. Almost there, my little chef. Keep swirling, just like we practiced.
It looks like our friends are almost here.
Oh, what's happening now?
Welcome, neighbor.
Good afternoon. Fresh from the garden.
Score 3. These look wonderful.
So fresh.
Delivery for character A. The market. Good afternoon, everyone. Ready to create some... Yes, this recipe has potential. A few tweaks, perhaps, but...
Quite solid.
So it's good? GR score 1, walk. GR 2, prep. Just let's make a symphony.
Understood, chef.
In heat and ingredients, car score 1. Observe how the flame kisses the wok.
I see, chef. A delicate...
Now!
Perfecto! Magnificent! Truly a masterpiece!
Oh, for me? Thank you, little one. So thoughtful.
For everything.
Bye-bye. Come back soon.
playground? Hi there.
Watch this, CHAR, as my little one is making friends already.
They'll be fine, Mom.
Hello there, little racers.
Right here.
You've got this, little one.
Your marks.
Almost there.
I think I can.
Keep pedaling.
Congratulations, little champions.
Here are some cookies and juice for all the wonderful winners.
Now you try.
Look! Watermelons!
Listen for the hollow sound.
Come on, little one, we're almost there!
We did it, little one. All that effort was worth it.
We really did it.
It's okay, big fellow. We're here to help you.
Mayday! Mayday! Bear down, roadside ditch, south row past the old mill. Send help immediately.
Our help is almost here.
They're coming for us.
Here to help.
Meow! Chirp!
All right, this harness is secure, big guy. Just hold
Almost there. Just a few more.
Yes, this one needs to be secure.
All right, team, pull! Meow! Squeak!
Roar!
Oh, thank goodness.
And
Excited squeaks.
Thank you.
Look at the big umbrella.
I like our journey.
It was a good harvest, wasn't it?
Come, little racers. Are all set. Good afternoon, class.
Go, go, go!
Please stop at the line.
Gasp!
Oh, wow, look at this.